Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find, guys, where the 4-wheel drive, also known as 4x4 fuses relays, are located on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, we will, guys, share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So, guys, now the 4-wheel drive 4x4 fuses relays, where you can expect to find them, guys. Most people know about the fuse box that's under the hood, and we'll work there on some specific years. We'll talk about that. But the main fuse, guys, okay, that we need to come and check now, okay. Make sure that you're working both fuse boxes with where the steering wheel is on the left side. Here underneath you have a fuse box hidden behind a panel. Hey guys, by the way, you have many hidden relays in that car and fuses. That's why we made one special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay. They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And now what we need to check specifically, let's explain which fuse we need to check here. Coming, guys, in this fuse box with the mini fuses here, we need to check one fuse in that row. The fuse numbers will be listed with very little numbers under the fuses. We need to check fuse number 10, which is, by the way, a 10M fuse in our case. Fuse number 10. Now, if you have a 2012 to 2017 model, you may have one more fuse, and it's under the fuse box and under the hood. It's in that fuse box under the hood, facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side, open the cover. And here, guys, we need to check one more, which is known as relay 6. Not all of them will have it, but some models may have that fuse as well. What about relays? You don't have specifically dedicated relay, but if you still have problems with it, you may want to check ABS, brake control module fuses and relays, and transmission and engine computer fuses and relays. If you want to see where they're located, we'll have the videos on the channel to help you save as much money as we can, guys. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.